अम्बा साम्बवी चन्द्रमौलीरपलापन्ना उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी प्रदा चित्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी
अम्बा शाम्भवी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी आदिपराशक्ति पालय माम्।
अम्बा शाम्भवी अखिलाण्डेश्वरी आदिपराशक्ति।
As Shodshi, who is one of the 10 incarnations, the term thus Mahavidya refers to the 10 goddesses of wisdom, and the third goddess from the series is Goddess Tripur Sundari. The series of the 10 Mahavidya are Kali, Matangi, Tripur Sundari, Bhuvneshwari, Tara, Tripur Bhairavi, Dhumavati, Baglamukhi, Kamla and Chinnamasta. Bala Tripur Sundari is Bala Rupa of Goddess Tripur Sundari. She is Adi Shakti Goddess Parvati. Or Durga, she is also called Kamakshi, Rajarajeshwari. Bala Tripur Sundari is one important form of Parashakti. Bala Tripur Sundari is the name of Goddess Durga. The divinity of that Brahman cannot be known. Tripur Sundari means the most beautiful all over the universe. Devi worship systems in general are quite secret because they are all built around occult systems of worship. The goddess was entitled to the name Shodshi since she was the age of 16 and continues to be the same. The name also knows her because she possesses the divine 16 powers. As per ancient Vedic scriptures, Tripur Sundari is also believed to be the most important, one of the 10 Mahavidyas. Her companion is Lord Shiva and is considered as the highest aspect of Goddess Shakti. Goddess Tripur Sundari is well known for her exotic beauty and power that is known to delight the senses and provoke emotional and intellectual admiration of all the three worlds. She is usually portrayed as a young 16-year-old girl and is believed to represent the 16 various desires. She aptly fits her title as this divine figure of femininity that owns all the renowned 16 mystic powers, worshipping and performing puja and homa. For Tripur Sundari is known to be rewarded in the form of peace, beauty, joy, wealth, happiness, and harmony. Lalita, also known as Maha Tripur Sundari, Sodshi, and Kameshwari is the supreme form of goddess. No other form of goddess is as important as Lalita or Tantric Parvati. She is also known as Sri Mahavidya. She is given most significant importance and worshipped as Goddess Durga, Shakti and Parvati etc. Usually she sits on lap of Lord Shiva, Goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi fanning her standing beside. She is the Parashakti, which a yogi finds in the Kundalini. Lalitas is preeminent. Self-willed and independent, Lalita is an exquisitely sensuous goddess also known as Kameshwari. At the same time, she is the completely devoted wife of the Supreme Lord Shiva, who is pure consciousness. She exists in a perpetual state of perfect harmony, ever benevolent, her eyes moist with compassion for all beings.
श्रीगजनपालनि पालय माम्।
श्रीचक्रवासिनि चिन्मयहासिनि श्रीगजनपालनि।
शिवे रमिता शिवे जगति जातमया नवसादिनं श्रुति जपाजन चिन्तन वर्जिता
Shri Vidya and its Shri Yantra so important. Shri Yantra is the geometrical structure of entire universe and several hidden realms in one yantra in which all yoginis, devis, devtas and all divine realms are situated in it, all bhairavs, yakshanis and like that all other elementals beings and their mysterious realms lies in it. Anything that is and that will be is inside it. Shri Yantra is entire cosmos. So definitely it becomes an extremely significant tool to unlock the mysterious of universe and other hidden worlds which are beyond our reach. This is the only yantra which is given the title of Yantra Raj, the emperor of all yantras. Shri Yantra is basically part of Shri Vidya method of tantric worship with the aim to obtain definite achievements in worldly and spiritual matters. Shri Vidya arose as part of great Shakta tradition of Tantra, which considers Shakti to be the supreme object of worship by changing items of worship, secret mantras, place and astrological time in worship of this same Shri Yantra. Various marvelous divine powers of goddess are obtained, which are beyond imagination. Tripur Sundari Puja and Homa are performed in the proper traditional manner, so that the devotee is bestowed with stability, financial prosperity, peace, power, happiness, protection from evil spirits, stability in personal as well as professional life and blissful marital life. Lalita Sahasranama are the famous hymns for praising her, which has been described in Brahman Puran. Lalita Sahasranama, as 1,000 names of goddess Lalita, is an old Sanskrit text praising the temperances, perspectives, significance and appearances of Mother Divine. It is accepted whenever recounted with commitment. Shri Lalita, the Mother Divine, satisfies both otherworldly and material goals.
Janapalani palayama Amba Shambhavi Akhilandeshwari Adi Parashakti Palaya